you raised this, I mean, familiarity that you have with narcissistic personality disorder, and it
Mhm.
helps you understand Trump better. And I'm curious whether there are any facets of his personality that you find particularly comprehensible to you that are not to others,
Oh,
or
he's
if
lying. It's easy to
his lie.
understand he's lying, yeah, yeah, because a narcissist doesn't lie to persuade you. They lie to persuade themselves, okay? So what happens with a narcissist is they'll make some claim, and then things don't work out the way they expect, so they deny that they made the claim. Now, everybody else knows they made the claim, but it's their own mind they're trying to get sorted out because a narcissist can't admit they've made a mistake to themselves, let alone anybody else, okay? So when you hear Trump saying stuff, saying, that's outrageous, we know that's stupid, but he says he's not trying to persuade you. He's trying to make up an interpretation of the history that makes him always correct. That's what they're doing. So when, Trump's lies are just, legendary, but he's lying to himself and he's persuading himself. And that's what you're seeing live. At the same time, there's this incredible grandiosity. So if they're not the center of attention, they're going to find some way to make themselves the center of attention. And it doesn't matter. If that means burning a fucking house down, they'll burn the house down. So people are talking about them. Why did you burn the house down? Oh, they're talking about me. So there's a joke about dogs and cats, which I often think of in these circumstances. And if you have a dog, you say bad Fido, good Fido, and the dog goes, and you say to a cat, bad Alfred, good Alfred, and the cat just goes there. He's saying Alfred. Okay. Okay. So in that sense, they just want to be the center of attention, and you give a narcissist, particularly a malignant narcissist, the most powerful office on the globe. He's going to do everything with it to make sure people are talking about him, and that's what he's done. People who thought he wasn't going to bomb, he's going to get us out of wars. No, he started wars, and he claims he didn't. Claims he's presented wars. I mean, you don't try to sort that out by looking at the facts. You say, what is he doing in his mind to make it look like he's always been right?